Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find General Management. Now let's tap on Reset option, and as you can see on the second position we've got Reset Network Settings, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you that it will reset all settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, tap on Reset Settings, confirm it with the pattern. And if you are ready, just tap on Reset. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually, that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.